Hello, my name is Steve Baker, and today I want to do just a quick overview of the Vehicle Status module inside the VeCap CRM application. The Vehicle Status module, it was developed to protect your dealership. During drop-off and pickup of a vehicle from a customer, you can take pictures and tie them to the repair order agreements for further documentation, even if you need that documentation for some type of legal action. You have that status of that vehicle, and it's tied to that individual agreement during that individual repair order visit. Simply walking around the vehicle allows you to capture that, and just takes simple 1 to 3 minutes, but can save you thousands of dollars every time you have a new vehicle leave or be delivered to your dealership. And this can also be used for before and after documentation. Like, for example, let's say you were doing some body shop work, you could actually use that as a before and after, and once again tie these to those service repair agreements and pick up customer reviews to protect your dealership. So let's see a simple walk around of a vehicle taking pictures, and then we'll dive into the application and show you how to add these and tie them to a specific service agreement. Okay, we just saw a service advisor walk around and start capturing the vehicle, the status of that vehicle. So now let's log into our system here. Let's show you the power of grabbing these and putting them into a drop-off or pickup agreement form. So let's just go find a vehicle. We're going to look at Mr. Bob Dillon. He brought in his vehicle to us, and we have some existing agreements with him. Once again, he had a drop-off of a vehicle at a certain time, and that drop-off actually had the vehicles that were captured. You can see here, we've got all the information for him. We actually have the, we'd want to put in the vehicle miles here when we take this. This would actually be referenced in the CRM and help you with your sales of your service department. So putting in the mileage is always important. Here's the vehicle pictures that were taken. Here's the actual line items of what service is going to be done. And then once again, if he would have signed it, his signature show up here, and the date of the signature that he actually signed on that agreement. So this agreement right here is a formal contract that you have. And once again, having the photos of the vehicle and even probably the work that's going to be done and where it's going to be done, the before and after, is pretty good. So we'd want to have the before pictures in the drop-off form, but then he also has an agreement, a pickup form, and the pickup form gives you the ability to do quick surveys that you can have, and you can have as many of these as you want. These are customized to your individual dealership. Once again, if he would have signed it, his signature would have been there, and we should have probably taken some photos of the vehicle being delivered to the customer to ensure that there's not going to be any damage accusation after the customer picks up the vehicle. So once again, the product gives you the ability to document the status of that vehicle during drop-off and pickup to protect your dealership. So that's just a quick video on how the vehicle status module works inside the VeCap system. My name is Steve Baker. I appreciate your time. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know. We'd be more than happy to help you. Thank you and have a good day.